So this is the look I am doing today, and this is a recreate from a YouTuber called LaviedunPrince. I'll leave his Instagram and YouTube handle down below in the description box. He is super talented, and he does these really in-depth eye looks. Like, they're gorgeous. So I was very inspired to recreate his look because it was using a palette that I had. It's the GlamLite Pizza Palette. And honestly, I didn't have any idea what I was doing. I watched his video and I was going to attempt to follow along, but he's just too good. He's just too good, and I'm not that skilled. So I am just going in with the shade Hot Sauce and creating the shape. And I bring it out way past my eye. I probably could have done this a little neater, but like I said, I didn't know what I was doing. This was really just for fun. And then I went in with the shade Extra Cheese to blend out the edges, basically to try to give this look a gradient effect. And I do that for a couple of minutes. Honestly, that's why it's sped through. And then to clean up under my brow, I use the shade Garlic. And I'm telling you because I don't show you for some reason. I don't have that clip. But yeah, so I'm just going in with Extra Cheese around the edges of the shade Hot Sauce, and then reapplying Hot Sauce to re-intensify it, yada yada yada. You guys know I'll let you watch. For my lid, I went in with the shade Pineapple, but I first laid down my white ColourPop concealer, a really thin layer, and I was trying to create a very neat half moon on my eyelid because this is a half cut crease. I didn't succeed, but I did do my best. So I'm just applying that concealer as best as I can, and then I went in with a little bit more of that Hot Sauce shade on a eyebrow brush just to go along the outer part of that concealer to clean it up. And then directly on the wet concealer, I went in with Pineapple. And this is a very pretty color when it's directly on top of a wet concealer. Now when it's on a dry lid, you definitely have to build it up, but well, you have to build it up when it's on the concealer too, but because the concealer was wet and white, the color definitely stood out a lot more. And then I'm going back in once again with that eyebrow brush to try and clean up the edges of that half moon shape with more of the shade Hot Sauce. And then I'm going on my outer corner to kind of blend Hot Sauce into Pineapple, but I did use a little bit of that Extra Cheesy shade as a transition color between the two. For my bottom lash line, I pressed Hot Sauce directly into my lashes, and then I blended that out using the shade Bacon. And then after that, I went in with a fluffy brush with no extra product and just went along the edges of this look. I did go back in with some of the eyeshadows to re-intensify them, but compared to LaviedunPrince's look, this looks like crap, but I did do my best. And then I used my Milani Stay Put waterproof eyeliner in the shade Hooked on Espresso to tightline. And then on my bottom waterline, I used an LA Girls Shockwave neon eyeliner in the shade Screamin', which you can see right there. It's like a bright highlighter yellow. And that's pretty much the look. And since my eyes were so bold, I did want my lashes to be huge. So that's how they look with 20 coats of mascara. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look. And right off the bat, I do notice a difference between my eyes. I mean, I'm not a professional. I still love how it looks, but it is kind of bothering me that this yellow goes up a little bit higher in my crease than on this eye. I'm not sure if it's an illusion because the lashes are a little more like defined on this eye than on this eye. I don't know, but that's what I noticed. But I still love the look. Like, I love the overall look. And if you're curious about this complexion, I did film it. That will be in a following video. But yeah, I think I look really cute, and I've never done anything like this before, so I'll be honest, it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I am going to force myself to go out and wear this because anything is wearable if you have the confidence to wear it. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next one.